with 1-2 by Lamito. And he's tagging him over and over, and Ray Corolla jumps in.
May dalawang Pinoy na boksingero ang talaga namang mas malakas pa kay Naoya Inoue ng Japan. Pinabagsak ang lahat ng nakalaban at ang boksingerong ito ang tumapos at nagwasak sa nagpahirap kay Marlon Tapales. Merong isang Japanese boxer na sa aking paningin ay mas matindi pa kay Naoya Inoue ang kumawawa at brutal na nag-knockout kay Marlon Tapales sa Super Bantamweight Division. Pero ang Japanese boxer na ito na tumalo kay Tapales ay pinaglaruan lang at pinadugo ang tenga ng isang Pinoy na tumalo kay Naoya Inoue sa kanilang sparring. Kaya naman ang Pinoy boxer na ito ay pwede na talaga nating itapat sa halimaw ng Japan. Si Japit Leprank Deogracias Llamado o mas kilala bilang Japit Llamado ay isang Pilipino-American na nakabase sa Long Beach, California. Naging sparring partner niya at madalas na tinalo si Naoya. Inamin ng Hapon na di niya talaga kaya ang ating bida dahil napakabilis nito, malakas at napakautak pa sa ibabaw ng lona. October 29 taong 2022 nang labanan ng ating pambato ang isang halimaw na Amerikano. Si Pablo Cruz ay isang dekalibreng boksingero. Ito ay may record na 22 na panalo, ngunit first round lang ang itatagal nito sa undefeated na ating pambato.
Going upstairs, he's tagging up. Lamito usually is patient. Now today he's coming out very aggressive. And he's going to the body, going upstairs. His opponent, Cruz, has not recovered. And he's getting tagged with 1-2 by Lamito. And he's tagging him over and over. And Ray Corolla jumps in and the kid came out. You told me.
Sa kabilang banda naman, merong isang Hapon na boksingero ang lumaban noon kay Marlon Tapales. Ito ay si Ryosuke Iwasa, ang tinaguriang Hapon na boksingero na mas magaling pa kay Naoya. At kinawawa niya talaga si Marlon Tapales sa kanilang naging laban. Bumagsak si Tapales sa round 3 at brutal knockout ang inabot nito sa round 11. Mapait na pagkatalo para kay Marlon Tapales, pero ipaghihiganti siya ng isa pa nating bida dahil paglalaruan lamang nito ang boksingero na tumalo kay Tapales na mas magaling pa kay Naoya. April 20 taong 2023 sa Paradise Plaza, Incheon, South Korea. Dumayo ang ating pambato na si Japit Llamado para harapin ang tumalo kay Marlon Tapales. Si Ryosuke Iwasa ay isang former IBF Super Bantamweight Champion. May record ito na 28 na panalo, 18 sa pamamagitan ng KO at 4 na talo lamang. Samantalang ang ating pambato ay hindi man lang nangalahati ang record sa kalaban nito. 10 panalo, 4 sa pamamagitan ng KO at walang talo. Bagamat undefeated ay underdog po talaga ang ating pambato dahil sa pagiging bagito nito. Round number 1, napakatapang na mukha ng Hapon na boksingero. Gusto niya kagad tapusin ang ating pambato, pero nagulat talaga ang Hapon na kalaban dahil malamay weather ang galawan ni kabayan. Laging nasasapul ang Hapon na kalaban at hindi niya matamaan ang ating kababayan. Sa round number 2, mabilis pa rin ang ating kababayan at hindi na siya mapigilan sa pagpapaulan ng suntok sa kalaban. Round number 3, bugbog sarado na ang inabot ng Hapon na boksingero mula sa ating pambato. Mabilis talaga sila Medo habang hindi na siya matamaan ng Hapon na boksingero. Sa round number 4, pulang-pula na ang mukha ng Hapon na boksingero mula sa malilinis na patama ni Lamido at ramdam niya talaga ang sakit ng kamao ng ating pambato. Round number 5, halatado na ang pagod ng Hapon na kalaban ni Lamedo. Palagi pa rin itong nasasapul ng ating pambato. Mala Mayweather talaga ang kanyang depensa at napakalakas ng kanyang opensa. Sa round number 6, ganado pa rin si Lamedo at pinaglalaruan na lamang niya ang Hapon na kalaban nito. Puro powerful na suntok naman ang pinakawalan ng ating pambato na naging dahilan ng pagdugo ng tenga ng kalaban nito. Round number 7, accurate na masyado si Lamedo at malayong-malayo na ang scorecard ng mga hurado. Liyamadong-liyamado na ang ating pambato. Sa round number 8, bakas na sa mukha ng Hapon ang lakas ng kamao ng ating pambato habang hindi naman nagbago ang galawan ni Lamedo. Napakahusay ng ating pambato at nagmukhang mahina ang halimaw na Hapon na kalaban nito. Malinaw na panalo dito ang ating kababayan at walang round 9 na ipanalo ang kanyang kalaban. Tinalo man ito si Marlon Tapales sa isang brutal na KO pero naipaghiganti na ito ng ating pambato. Si Japit Lamedo ang bagong aabangan ng mga Pilipino. Mga boss, walang kamalay-malay si Naoya Inoue ng Japan na may isang Pinoy pa pala ang kayang magpabagsak sa kanya sa ibabaw ng lona sa dibisyon niya. Napakalakas nito, napakatindi ng ating boksingero. Halos matigok lahat ng kalaban sa lakas ng ating kababayan. Bukod kay Cuadro Alas, Janrel Casimero, ay mayroon pang isang Pinoy na boksingero na talaga namang kinatakutan ni Naoya Inoue ng bansang Japan. Siya ang pinakamalakas na bagitong Pinoy na boksingero. Napakatindi nito, sinakop niya ang buong United Kingdom. Knockout lahat ng kalaban, speed, power, timing, footwork at killer instinct. Lahat ay pinagsama-sama na sa batang Pinoy na ito. Kaya ang ending, palakpakan at napahanga si Babarom at buong Europa sa galing ng batang Pinoy na ating bida. At dahil sa husay niya makipaglaban sa ibabaw ng lona, na in love sa kanya ang isa sa pinakasikat at pinakamagandang ringer ni Ed Hearn at sa buong Europa, ang model at ringer na si Macy Wallace. Talaga namang higit pa sa nanalo sa loto ang ating boksingero.
Parang neneng ang kanyang katawan. Ang sarap.
Si Thomas Whelan o mas kilala bilang Tom Whelan ay ang tinaguri ang The Atomic Bomb ng United Kingdom. Dugong Pinoy ang boxer na ito. Ang kanyang ina ay isang Pilipino na galing ng Cebu at ang kanyang ama ay taga United Kingdom. Ang boxer na ito ay lumaban sa Olympic para sa gintong medalya at ang Pilipinas ang kanyang nerepresenta. Sino ba naman ang hindi magiging halimaw sa ibabaw ng lona? Grabing pagsasanay at disiplina ang pinagdaanan niya, kaya bagsak lahat ng kalaban sa kamao niya. Speed, power, timing at killer instinct, halos lahat na yata ng katangian ng isang complete boxer ay nasa kanya na, kaya kinatakutan ito ngayon sa buong Europa. Ang una niyang nakalaban, si Francisco Rodriguez ng Espanya. Napakalakas nito at aggressive boxer pa, pero round 4 lang palang itatagal nito sa ating bida. Round number 1, grabing solidong mga kamao.
The tricks here, Barry.
Yeah, Wellens come on for that, but apart from that, he's the
Four as well.
Number 4, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. Unlimited body punch and head punch combination ang pinakawala ng ating kababayan. Ang bumugbog sa husto sa pambato ng United Kingdom, kaya naging bagong kampiyon na ngayon ang ating kababayan. Sa impresibong panalo ng ating pambato, habang nanonood ng laban ay na-inlove sa ating bida ang isa sa pinakamagandang ringer na diwata na si Macy Wallace ng Matchroom Promotion, at sa ring walkout ay ine-escort pa ang ating boksingero ng diwatang ito. Sumunod niyang nakalaban ay si Esteban Trox ng Panama. Napakatangkad nito, powerhouse at mukhang halimaw talaga, pero round 2 lang pala siya sa ating bida. Round number 1, gigil na gigil ang matangkad na kalaban na pabagsakin ng ating kababayan, pero maingat po ang ating pambato at binugbog ang kalaban nito.
Very good.
Oh, he certainly has. It'll be a good fight tonight.
It looks so loose and that jab. He's one of those amateurs, Priya, who always had a
His opponent's down. He edges his feet in, but he knows work as well.
Ken Welland. Church, by the way, very, very deep already in his first fight outside Panama, and again that slashing right hand to the body and then a
In behind the jab and land.
Welland said he had to throw his shorts away. Closing 10 seconds then of a very impressive opening round, and again he slashes to the body of Trutch. Huge right to the head and a right cross, great power from Welland.
Sa round number 2, dito natatapusin ng ating pambato ang paghihirap ng matangkad na kalaban nito. 2 beses itong babagsak at tuluyang mawawasak sa ating boksingero.
Very, very quickly, this just his third. There's a lot to like about the foot movement as well of Welland. Gets himself in and out of ring.
Power in those shots.
Trutch tried to land a massive overhand right there. Another huge booming right hand, and then follows that with a right cross to the jaw. And that work to the body. I know it's only a 4-rounder, but it may yet pay dividends. On time.
Coming out of the nose of Trutch. I think Welland's looking to stop this.
He's game, and he's brave. But Welland moves forward again with purpose. The referee's having a long look now. The legs are unsteady. Another booming right hand. How much more of this does Trutch need to take? Welland landing with impunity, and finally the referee does.
Sumunod niyang nakalaban sa bansang United Kingdom ay si Darwin Martinez ng bansang Nicaragua. Napakalaki nito at pinabagsak rin lahat ng nakalaban niya, pero round 2 lang din siya sa ating bida.
Come along, watching on his sister Ella, Tom Welland, Atomic Tom, 5-0 coming into this. Darwin Martinez, man that we should remember, is still only 20 years of age.
Attacks edge, takes his feet out.
And from Martinez, interesting to see Welland using that jab to the body. Agua in Nicaragua.
See for what?
Tom Welland with his hands full here, falls short with that right hand.
Good footwork there from Martinez, skipping all distance.
Sa round number 2, dito natatapusin ni Kabayan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. 3 beses babagsak ang pambato ng Nicaragua mula sa ating bida.
It's the real live wire of an opponent here. Welland again, dipping the legs, this time throwing that jab to the body, the background.
Little feint with the feet there from Welland. Pinch or two on that right hand when he throws it. Just brings out that hand, and Welland made him pay with a left hook. He'll take the step back, roll underneath. Martinez can throw that shot.
Martinez down! He wanted a fighter, come to him! Okay to continue, MEQ had a long look there, but Welland now with a scent of victory in his nostrils, a dramatic stoppage on terrestrial television, in front of him, left to the body from Welland, another combination left hook to the Martinez blows into life, but he continue, MEQ lets him, 50 seconds to go in the round, here comes Welland again, and right now for Darwin Martinez, Welland with another long right hand, pounding in these punches now, Martinez on shaky legs, surely another record will do it, surely.
Dahil sa sunod-sunod na panalo ay pinalaban ng ating pambato sa little brother ni Terence Crawford ng South Africa. Si Michael Romabilitsa ay may halimaw na kartada, pero katulad ng iba, round 5 lang din ang itinagal niya sa ating bida. Round number 1, malapalos ang pambato ng Africa, pero pinag-aralan talaga ni Kabayan ang bawat galaw nito sa laban.
A sense that he really wants to get after handicap. Barry, you've seen plenty of him or fight. Last April was a real kind of important turning point in this stage of, you know, all of his opponents have hit the deck one way and when to attack, and you've really seen that. Quite impressive.
Throughout the course of the afternoon, and you don't want to make them realise.
A nice good first round here for Welland. Nice good start, controlled, picking his punches really well, and
Lovely uppercut right in
Sa round number 2, kuha na ni Kabayan ang galaw ng kalaban, kaya kontrolado na niya ang takbo ng laban.
set up the knockdown. So he's learning speed of improvement.
get close to the target.
Lexi came out a little bit more aggressive because he cannot afford to allow Welland to pitch can get it. And it
To Rocky Balboa, you wondered what happened in those. They both missed, but the speed of Welland.
Shown a few little times there in that round, in this round. He's shown why he can potentially that. Oh, good left hook.
Got him. Did he get him off balance or did he wobble him? Goes after him.
Oh,
It's the end.
temple shot. He's at unsteady legs.
And goes after him again. Wicked right hand.
Round number 3, hawak na ng ating pambato ang beat sa laban na ito. Bugbog sarado na ang Aprikanong boksingero.
felt like the end of the round was there and just left him.
Infer, suggest, state that he
Put the guy under pressure straight away, showing that, you know, you haven't got me, but he has to, you know, throws a punch. Welland's looking at it and then react.
and the impress almost caught with a counter, but he clocks Ramabele. And then in purchase on it as he has to, but some heavy shots getting through.
Oh, it's nice. I see that Welland.
And Andy Ramabele has been with this young gun.
He's going to have a say in it if he's going to be competitive. then he's got to try and step to Welland and do him some damage.
Can't miss him with the right hand.
Sa round number 4, wasak na rin ang pagmumukha ng Aprikanong kalaban. Halatang hirap na siya sa lakas timing footwork ng ating kababayan.
Nightmare. That's lovely work again. That all the time, he changes the levels. He just sat down. That's all he did.
It's in the second half of the round, I think, that things are going to get hot. He's picked his punches well, but he showed good patience because Rama Bellezza now right on knows that he needs to do some proper punching to keep him on.
Tonight.
Well, we talk about technique, don't we? Quite turns. It was just so quick, but it's perfect technique. And every now and again, he lifted it as well to give it a more of a.
There's the right hand again. Oh, lovely little body shot, wicket.
And also, you evade a lot of shots from that.
Round number 5, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang kalaban niyang Aprikano. Brutal knockout stoppage ang sasapitin nito mula sa ating pambato.
Look how direct he is with his punches, though. Everything, he makes sure.
Prospects, and this is a young man who is getting into good.
Hold him back. He's only 20, but a few levels right now.
Previous round, although he was well on top of Ed Welland, Rama Bellezza probably had the best round.
The fighter's mind, and if you're Rama Bellezza, oh, he's just been clipped with a left hook there. The speed, the blurring speed, another left hand. Maybe winning seems perhaps far-reached, far-fetched at this stage.
Again, the angles of the shot, so he rolled well there, Rama Bellezza.
Oh, can't miss it. But Andy's right. That's what fans are now thinking. Can you close the show? That's what the media, the pundits are thinking. Can you close the show? Looks like he might. Referee's in.
Sumunod niyang nakalaban ay ang hari ng Tanzania, kontinente ng Afrika. Si Ali Lubanha ay ang pinakamalakas na boksingero ng Tanzania. Kinatakutan ng lahat sa lakas nito. Pero round 4 lang pala siya sa ating boksingero. Round number 1, matangkad din ang Aprikanong kalaban pero walang takot ang ating kababayan at nakipagpalitan ng suntok sa matangkad na kalaban.
Man, composed with his work, every punch.
Yeah, absolutely. But he's got his hands full tonight here with Welland. What do you make?
Typical Welland, just nice and composed. Again, pressures you with that.
Debut here, you described it as one of the best early on in his career, but he's lost that. This is really measured. A terrific left hook to the body from Welland. As I said, a lot of opposition in small hall shows in opening round for Atomic Tom.
Sa round number 2, kuha na ng ating boksingero ang galawan ng kalaban nito kaya bugbog sarado na ang sinapit ng Aprikano.
Ceiling could be quite king. He's still working him.
And that's what he's doing here. He's not making any mistakes. Feel the pain, and then when the shots appear, he's making sure.
Flexes from Welland. Always looking for these little improvements. The uppercut
there just makes you forces you back.
It was quite a lot. So. Interesting contrast for him tonight. He was caught there by that left hand from Welland. Use those long levers, but Welland's so good at getting inside. He needs to get out of this corner because this is Welland at his best. Right hook and he left Welland. Just sensitive.
Round number 3, magaling umiwas ang ating pambato habang palaging sapul ang Aprikano. No match ang halimaw ng Afrika sa ating boksingero.
Once you get to that level, you can't go back down, and there's so much more things he has to experience and learn. There's tougher tests to wait for. Even that there, always look at the pre under pressure. He's always aware of something. Plants it right in the centre of your stance. Forces you to react to him.
Again, Lubanja backed up here. That left hook got through. Right to the body as well from one, and there's that left.
Understand how things work for him. Not just going through the repertoire of skills, he understands how to break you down, the process it takes. Everything's off the jab. You don't go.
Superb right hand there. Straight right from Welland that he's.
Sa round number 4, dito nawawasakin ng ating pambato ang paghihirap ng Aprikano. Brutal body shot na naman. Knockout ang sasapitin nito mula sa ating pambato.
And going through what they were doing in the gym, break.
Welland wants to keep him pinned in there. Working. Again, he digs to the body and then follows it up with that straight right hand. He's up the levels again. Really imaginative punch picking here from Welland, and Lubanja is covering up. He's going to need to throw back, but he's down. It's done. And Welland goes to 8
Yes or no?
Si Tom Whelan ay isa ring Pinoy na boksingero na nagpamalas ng galing at husay ng mga Pilipino sa sport na boxing sa mundo. God bless everyone. Bye-bye!